Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Google Pay app. Open it now and sign in with the account that contains the hidden contacts. Once done, make sure Google Pay has contacts permission. This is why contacts can be hidden. Permissions limit visibility. If permission is off, toggle it on, then back out to the app. Also, Verify Sync is enabled for that Google account in settings, so the app can read contact names and numbers. Now proceed to the in-app contact settings to reveal more. You need to navigate to Profile, then Settings, and then Contacts or Payment Methods. This path reveals the controls that hide contacts. Once there, tap Manage Contacts or the Hidden Contacts list. You'll see filters and a search field. Use them to locate the person or number you want to unhide. If an entry is linked to a payment method, unlinking or re-verifying the payment method can restore visibility. Make changes now, and then confirm each contact you want visible. Select the contact and tap Unhide or Restore. This makes the contact appear in your Google Pay recipient list. Once unhidden, verify by sending a small payment or message so Google Pay stores the association. This is why some contacts stay invisible until used. If the contact doesn't reappear, clear the app cache, force stop and reopen, then sign out and sign back in. Finally, ensure account sync is active. If problems persist, repeat the steps after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.